CFMoto, which, if you haven't heard by now, is a Chinese company that makes ATVs, quads, and motorcycles. Well, apparently, the BIS, which is the Bureau of Industry and Security, wants to ban them. Yes, I that does sound as absolutely stupid as it is. So apparently, because CFMoto has connected Bluetooth devices in their range of products, the BIS sees it as a unacceptable risk to national security and to U.S. persons. Yep, that's right. Your motorcycle, which, or if you own a CF Moto, the U.S. government is looking at this and saying it is a risk to national security because it holds and stores data on the people that buy and own them. Yeah, that's right. That's a thing, which is absolutely stupid. And I'm reading this from, where am I? Pfizerdown.com, and the title for this was U.S. makers looking to ban CF Moto via connected and vehicle embargo. And this is insane when you actually think about this, because a motorcycle creates, stores, and holds data. They're seeing it as a national security risk. I don't know how this could even work. Like, oh, Joe Schmo rides his CF Moto from his house to Dunkin' Donuts and back on a Tuesday. It took him 10 minutes. He did the speed limit, blah, 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 blah. Like, what kind of data is that giving people? And I understand you could probably extrapolate it somehow with population numbers and whatever, but it's not like every single person in the US is going to be riding one of these bikes or owning one of these bikes. And it's just absolutely insane. Now, I am reading the bottom of this, at the bottom of it. It does, more than likely this isn't going to happen. There's no way that a company is going to want to lose the giant market share that the US has. We are one of the biggest buyers of motorcycles and off-road vehicles, and just so a company like this, who I've never ridden one. I've seen a bunch of them. A dealership around me is one of the first CF Moto like actual certified dealers, at least as far as I know. More than likely, they're just going to sell the range of bikes that they make already in every other country. And if this ever goes through, like the actual ban part of it, we'll probably just make, change or adapt their models that they sell here to comply, because, you don't want to lose this money. You're not going to be one of those companies that sits there and goes, we don't need the US money. No way. We don't need that market share. But it's just, to me, this is hilarious that I mean, if you buy a quad, right? And then you take it on some back road, trail, whatever. What kind of data is that giving people that could be national security risk? That to me is hilarious. I don't know. It's funny to me, but it's one of those stories that's just like there's no way. And then you read it and you're like, "Oh my God, it's actually serious." And there's actually a thing called the Bureau of Industry and Security. Securing the information and communications technology and services supply chains connected vehicles. That's what it's for. Yeah, man, I don't know. This is just funny to me, but I want to hear from you guys. Have you ridden one? Do you own one? Would you ever consider buying one? I mean, they've got Brembos. They're, it's still a Chinese company, but they don't look horrible. Kind of small, I think. I don't know, but comments down below. You guys tell me. Have you ever seen one? Would you ride one? Would you own one? Do you own one? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Tell me what you think, and do all the fun things this platform allows you to do, because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.